Hey Ali, what's your ideal job?
Definitely, Brent, not a musician. I don't like music at all, or singing, or playing the guitar. I just want to be an English teacher at Brent English.
Good answer. Hey D-Man, what about you?
Definitely not a pilot. I want to be an English teacher at Brent English.
Great answer. Tina, what about you?
Well, if I'm very honest, Brent, and I am, I would have to say not working with flowers. Flowers are yucky. I want to be an English teacher at Brent English, of course.
Hello Brent English students. This week we are going to learn about how to speak much better English about your jobs. You see, your jobs form an integral part of your lives. And so having the ability to be able to speak about it is what you need so that you improve your English faster. So we have amazing vocabulary and expressions that you will learn and use them. The more you speak, the better you become.
That's right, Brent. We have nouns like maternity leave and time in lieu, as well as expressions like working towards something or work in progress.
Grammar this week is about prepositions of time, in, at, and on, and when we use them. We have wonderful games and exercises on the platform, so don't forget to check it out.
That's right. This is our platform. Enjoy the lessons and see you in class.